करूं मैं ये गुजारिश मोहब्बत।
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is New Year, and I wish you a very happy New Year's to you all, my friend and my subscriber, and God bless you all with wealthy and health and blessing, and I wish you a very happy years in this 2022. And today we have a party from India in Israel with my friend. I'm going to the party, so let's go together and enjoy and celebrate the very happy New Year's. And thank you for supporting this still channel. Watch this video till the end, you will enjoy, I promise. So let's go. Here is the party. We're from India. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We are from India. We are 12 peoples. Today we're celebrating a very happy New Year. These are my friends from India. Video. Memory.
Okay. Oh, and Asur Misro. I don't know.
Yes. Yes. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Guys, we have dosa. Here you go. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, it's just giving me. What is this?
Meat roll.
Meat roll. Okay.
This is fish roll.
Wow, fish roll. Wow.
Everybody is going on enjoying in palace. This is first time we are enjoying in palace. Anmol is our main king over here. Let's enjoy. Hope you all enjoy this year very nicely and very pleasant. Stay healthy, stay safe.
Hi guys, this girl is from Sri Lanka. She's very rich.
Yeah. Born Indian, now rich.
See, in her hand there is full of gold.
That is rich.
Very rich.
Very rich here. Yeah.
She's single. Guys, you can try.
Ayo.
Show your rings.
Like this.
Tomorrow kidnap.
See this rich here. But I have to see the rich. I didn't see.
Happy New Year!
תודה רבה.
כן, נציגה.
Happy New Year to you. Happy New Year to you. But mine is wiping the floor. It's okay. We started working on it.
New Zealand.
No, because Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Out there. Happy New Year. Bye bye. Happy New Year. What is it?
Butter Nivea. Maya will eat all the cake.
Right, baby?
Wait. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year's, guys.
Near.
Happy New Year's.
Thank you.
Everyone is giving a cake to her, so
Yeah, because today is her
she
birthday.
had a very big stomach.
Maya birthday.
Maya birthday.
Yeah.
तू पतला है और भी मोटा होने का है.
Take down.
Okay, now nothing.
Okay, guys, we finished the party. Now it's time to go home. Okay, bye bye. Happy New Year's, everyone. Happy New Year's. God bless you all.
Hi guys, we are from Kerala. Happy New Year. God bless everyone.
Happy New Year's.
Ken, walis makawer.
Yeah.
Ken,
Hi guys, this
Hey.
guy is from the Philippines. and
Philippines. Ken.
He celebrate Happy New Year's. but
Happy New Year!
he
Happy New
never-
Year!
See, he didn't invite me. I'm angry. Hello, ma'am. Party loser hai. Is mom kre. Punga matare. Ay, ma'am. So he ano balak pasida mayam bo ishona ana yegi honda pa amashung paisa paiba ina khunba hakchang phaba du mayam de ishona pina bi bo rasinu haina J.S.K na wish tozari. Okay, everybody, see you again in the next video. Bye.